upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robotic vacuums, comparing two heavyweights, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop on the left, and the Roborock Revo Robot Vacuum on the right. Strap in, because things are about to get *suctional. Let's start with the price. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop comes in at a wallet-friendly $299. Many reviewers appreciate this budget-friendly option for its affordability and efficiency. On the other hand, we have the Roborock Revo, priced at a whopping $899. Reviewers believe it's worth the high price tag due to its advanced features and superior performance. Now, let's talk about cleaning tech. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping machine with an electronically controlled water pump and 3-level water output. Reviewers love its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously, describing it as quiet and efficient. But wait, the Roborock Revo has a multifunctional dock that washes the mop for you. It's basically a robot that cleans itself. Reviewers are impressed by its hands-free maintenance and advanced cleaning capabilities. Navigation is crucial. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop uses gyroscope smart navigation, following a zigzag path. Reviewers note that it smartly maps the house and avoids tricky spots. The Roborock Revo, however, uses PresaSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping technology. It's like having NASA guide your vacuum. Reviewers appreciate its precise navigation and the ability to add virtual furniture to your maps. Suction power is where the magic happens. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop offers 2700 PA suction. Reviewers find it strong enough to pick up pet hair and effectively clean hard floors. But the Roborock Revo brings out the big guns with 5500 PA suction. Reviewers rave about its powerful suction, making it ideal for homes with pets and carpets. Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop has a few tricks up its sleeve, like carpet boost and boundary strips. It automatically increases suction on carpets and helps you set no-go areas. Reviewers appreciate these features for added convenience. The Roborock Revo, however, has auto mop lifting and reactive tech obstacle avoidance. It lifts its mops when vacuuming carpets and avoids obstacles like a ninja. Reviewers praise these advanced features for making cleaning even more effortless. Overall, reviewers have great things to say about both products. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is praised for its affordability, quiet operation, and efficiency, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, the Roborock Revo is celebrated for its advanced features, powerful suction, and hands-free maintenance, making it worth the higher price for those who want top-tier performance. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for an affordable, efficient cleaner, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is your go-to. But if you want top-tier, hands-free cleaning with all the bells and whistles, the Roborock Revo is your guy. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility and a lighter wallet. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart, and may your floors be ever spotless.